slow.
That was slow.
Oh, you should record it.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Trish. So in today's video, I will be bringing you guys another makeup tutorial because I have not done a makeup tutorial on my channel here in a minute. I've been doing everything else instead of doing makeup. So here's today's look. Please, if you guys have been watching my video and y'all haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment. And yeah, we're gonna get into this video. I'm not gonna keep you guys too long. Everything I use for this look will be listed down in the description box. And if you guys want to know how I do my puff, because I do have my puff out, please let me know down in the comments, because I was thinking about doing it, but I wasn't sure if you guys wanted to see that or not. So just let me know and I'll bring you guys that video. But until then, we're just gonna get into this video and I'll see you guys in my next one. Okay y'all, so starting off with the tutorial, I will be using the Morphe 24G palette, and I'm going to be taking this warm brown shade at the bottom called Brew, and that's going to be my first crease color. Now taking the next shade called Frenchy. It's like a mustard yellow shade, and I'm going to use that to blend out that transition that I just put down. I hope you guys are liking these neutral looks. I will come out with the color pretty soon, but I'm just trying to get this out of my system. I've been really loving the nude matte looks lately, so yeah. The next shade I'm going to take is from my Morphe 39A palette, and it's a burgundy dark brown color called Expression. I tend to reach for this color a lot whenever I'm doing my neutral looks, but I'm just putting that in the outer portion of my eye, in that outer V. My eyes is already cut. I used the porcelain eyeshadow. I'm sorry, the porcelain shade from the LA Girl Pro Concealer line, and I am going on top of that with this light nude shade from the 24G palette called Creamer. And it's that perfect cream color. I didn't want nothing that was too brown, so that's why I went for this shade. So I'm taking that first brown shade that I put in my transition, and I'm putting that on the outer V. I was supposed to do this part first, but I wasn't thinking I did my lid color, but it's fine. So I use that color first, and then I take the Expression shade and I use it to deepen up that outer V portion. And now I'm just blending it out. And I'm gonna zoom in on this part. Okay, so for this look, I wanted to do like a cut crease glitter look. So I'm using this glitter that I got from this line called Cutie Pop glitter. And I am taking an angled eyeliner brush, and I'm gonna use that to set it in place. The glue that I used was the Dual Lash. I found that with the Dual Lash holds the glitter better, so that's what I'm using. And I zoomed in because I wanted you guys to really see what I was doing. So these are the lashes I'll be using from the beauty supply store. My face is already done. I'm just taking this blush from Sleek called Coral. And as you can see, y'all, Chanel will not let me film in peace. She's always in my videos. Now I'm just putting my blush on the apples on my cheek. Going into the Morphe 35B palette, a oldie but still a goodie. I'm taking this, it's like a hot pink purple shade, and I'm going to be putting that on my lower lash line. I wanted like a little pop of color, so that's why I decided to go with this color. For some reason, I always do blue, so I wanted to switch it up and do a different color. So that's the color I decided that I wanted to use for this look. Now I'm taking creamer again, and I'm just putting that in my inner tear duct. Just putting some mascara on my lower lash line. Now I'm just taking my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I love this spray. It's like a mist. I'm just spraying it all over my face. And for my highlight, I will be using the Wet n Wild Loose highlighter. And I think the shade that I'm using is called All Glown Up. It's either All Glown Up or Hustle and Glow. It's one of them. But as always, I'll make sure to include it in the description box. I don't know about y'all, but sometimes when I put on lashes, I don't know what it is about that inner like lash. It's always stabbing me in the eye. So yeah, that's why I was like kind of like pushing it up. Highlighting all my usual places. Okay, so for my lips, I'm using the NYX Suede lip liner in the color Downtown Beauty. It's one of my go-to lip liners. And after that, I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the color Naked. And I'm going to be putting that all over my lips. And that will be it for this look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the look. Everything that I use, as always, will be listed down in the description box. If you have not already, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment, and turn on the notification bell so you guys are notified every time I upload a video. And I will see you guys in my next video.